Birds of Bangladesh. Our Bangladesh is a beautiful country. It is a land of forests and trees, hills and valleys, rivers, marshes and canals, wide open meadows. It has got a moderate climate, neither too hot or too cold. So this land is very abundant of different kinds of birds. Birds have encouraged the beauty of our country. Sleep at night and rise early in the morning, hearing the sweet song of different birds. Singing birds. There are many singing birds in Bangladesh. The cuckoo is the most popular of all singing birds. It comes to our country at the beginning of spring. Small boys and girls try to imitate a cuckoo when it sings. It hides itself behind leaves. Dwell is our national bird. Talking birds. The parrot, the moina, the chandrana, the cockatoo,